Hey yo, good morning everybody, it's your boy John Paul back in the video, and today I will be testing out the AK-40, the Scar L attachments. I'll be showing you the attachments and testing out. This is how it looks on the outside, skin and color and everything. Anyway, let's start off with the optics. What to do to have a gun that's like this and then play like mine. So you need a coyote sight for optics. You need a compensator for a barrel, folding grip for underbarrel, and I want to get the ballistic tracker, which I'm pretty close to, just 200 more kills, around that, yeah. And for this, I just had the canted delta sight, or canted irons. Oh yeah, the canted delta sight. Yeah. Anyway, I hope to get the ballistic tracker soon enough. I don't know what the hollow point is. Anyways, this is how my gun looks, and now I will show you how cool it is and easy. Alright, I'm going to have to speak a little louder now. Anyways, it might be a little laggy since I'm recording, and this computer is terrible and it just freezes out. Oh, you see how I'm terrible at this game because of the lag when I'm recording. I'm sorry, but this computer is not ready for Phantom Forces while recording. So get a new computer. That's why I've been so inactive. Oh my god, you see how lag I am? Oh god, it's frustrating. Anyways, let me just make you a tour of the gun. So hope this helps you. These are the best attachments for okay, yeah. Anyways, I hope this video will help decisions for which gun to buy and what to buy. Stop.